welcome to today's vlog. We are actually at the zoo. We're just pulling up now. I'm filming this on my cell phone because I forgot to put the memory card back in my camera, so stupid me. So I'm probably not gonna have too much footage, but I'll still do what I can. But yeah, we just pulled in. Last time we were here, it was like last October or November, so it's been almost a year, and Cassian was very little. Was he like 9 months, 8 months? So I don't think he remembers anything, but he had a great time last time, but I think he'll have even better time this time. But we're meeting Waipo, my mom, and Waigong Scott, so let's go find them and then we'll go in.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, we brought his little trike to carry him in. Oh, that's the doggy poopy bag.
Yeah.
Look at the flamingos.
You want back in? You don't want in?
They're not duck. He's saying duck.
Oh.
Duck up there. You want to go inside?
Yeah, let's go in there. In the aviary.
Oh, there's the duck.
There's the duck.
Is that a hawk?
Ooh, look at where?
Why is a hawk? Doesn't that look like a hawk?
I don't think so. Oh, that's like a chicken.
Oh, okay.
Come on. It's time for the next thing.
Yeah, kind of walks like a chicken.
Those are guineas.
Yeah.
There's little Ripley. Taking in all the sights.
The pussy, the
I'm sure you're
Do you see the prairie dogs?
Well, that one gets all the food.
Oh wow, they all moved at once.
job.
Look at him, so amazed by ducks and a little monkey or something.
Gorilla. Gungo. Yeah, that's go. Okay, sit. We go.
Yes, sit down, let's go.
We go to
sit
the
down?
other side. So, go ahead.
Come on.
Hey,
It was a good call. Good call to bring us. Oh, lordy.
Oh, last time you cried.
Ball, very good. On the logo. Ball. It's a red ball. Red ball.
Oh no.
He's had enough.
It's a hippo. Look at this hippo right over here.
Yeah, look at the one underneath too, trying to give him a
baby
piggyback
hippo?
ride. Look at hippo. Hippo.
Come on, go to the hippo.
Oh, hi. That's so cute.
Cass.
Look at little baby. Oh, goodness.
Two of them.
Looks like pig feet.
Right.
Wow.
Maybe?
Yeah, baby.
Baby? Oh, maybe that's not a baby. What are they doing?
They're just having fun.
Look at mommy.
They're supporting each other so they both can breathe.
Both? I don't think the one on the bottom can breathe.
Well, you know, alternate.
So much fun. Yeah, so Cassian, as you can see, is very into the zoo. Yeah, say hello.
I think that's an over there.
Trying to be cool.
That's all we can do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Love that.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Give him the rest, Cassian.
Come on,
Give him the rest.
Give him. Dump it.
All right, we're just gonna have to feed you to the giraffes, little boy.
Is there another cup?
Yep,
Yeah.
right there.
There's another cup. Give it to him.
This guy hasn't had any.
I don't
Oh,
know
you
what
want
he
my funnel
wants.
cake?
Oh, he doesn't want this.
No, he doesn't.
Here.
You want to try?
No,
giraffe.
I'm good.
Oh,
my, I don't think they like me. I'm not a bird person.
Huh? Yeah, you want it?
Cassian, look.
You got 2 50 sticks.
You have it. Where's the bird? Feed the bird. Feed the bird. Oh. Bird. Cassian, mama bird. Bird.
Hello. It's a couple of days later. Hope you can hear me. We're actually at an air show. Say hi, Cassian. Very good. So I'm waiting for my food, but we got here, and then Cassian loves airplanes, but he's looking a little grouchy right now. But I think it'll be fun. We're having a little picnic now, got our food. Barbecue! Yeah, Grandma got barbecue. Oh, Cassian wants more tres leches cake and more FaceTime on the vlog. Ripley's here.
Being her sweet self.
Oh, ew.
Ew. 7 grandkids. What is it?
Many famous wing-walking ladies of the 20s, like Gladys Nichols and Jessie Boots.
What does Grandma got? He's eating cake. Eating cake. What
Yes,
kind of
Gigi.
No, it's peach cobbler. Ooh, peach cobbler.
Ooh.
That sounds good.
That sounds good too.
Might have to go back for seconds.
Don't need to. Don't
This
need no
quesadilla is really good too. Oh my god, I think he took his engine off or something. Oh, so creepy.
Wow, look at that.
He's more entertained by his sweet tea. We're going to buy him some airplane figurines.
I think his crew wants their plane back.
You want to pick an airplane?
Airplane.
Do you want this one? No? Glasses?
Airplane.
Alright, let's just get this one.
Alright,
Look at this little burrito at the air show.
cool. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, sounds like, yeah. I think they might be playing Carrots of the Caribbean song. But look at her.
Carrots of the Caribbean.
She looks like a little mealworm for some reason.
That is just an insane amount of roll rate with Scott
Feeling them G's.
and the NXS. Scott's logged more than 5,000 hours as a pilot, more than 40 different types of aircraft. During today's performance,
Cassian's more interested in his own airplane.
above 300 miles per hour. 300!
Are you having fun? So relaxing. Perfect weather. Someone's awake. He looks like little E.T. Did you see that cool formation, Cass? He is wearing
Back
his
to
shoes.
mom shoes.
Yeah. Very cool. Hey guys, welcome back. I mean, I guess hello if you're like watching the whole vlog through until now. But it is a couple of days later. We are back at our house. The visit with the grandparents and then Ripley. I don't think I had the chance to explain because everything was like so hectic and loud at the air show. But Ripley met her great-grandparents for the first time. Well, I guess she met them when I was pregnant last year, but doesn't count obviously. So we met them at Will's dad and mom's house, and then that's when we went to the air show. And then the next couple of days we also had fun, like just hanging out at the house, playing games, and then going to a bunch of breweries and wineries that Cassian really liked to walk around, and they had really good food and drinks there. So that was a really nice weekend. But now it's Tuesday and I actually have today off, so it's just me and Ripley here. Well, Will's here too, but he's working. He just started a new position at his job too, so he's busy. But Ripley's here with me. She is actually 3 months old today. Aren't you? You're such a big girl. Look at how cute you are. But anyways, today I am going to be taking her right now to go shopping for the first time, like by myself with a kid. Because I looked through her closet and like I thought I had a bunch of onesies for her already, but this is all I have for her for size 3 to 6 months. Crazy to think that's like the size she's wearing already. So I need to go, I'm probably gonna go to TJ Maxx to see if they have anything cute. I got her a bunch of like little actual outfits. I did not realize that she didn't have that many like just onesie sleepers. Plus, I just needed a reason to go out and go shopping. So yeah, I'm gonna go out shopping, let you guys know how it went, and then show you what I end up getting. Hey guys, so I am back from my little outing with Ripley. So we ended up going to TJ Maxx and Ross, and so I just carried her in my little Lily baby carrier, and I am, oh, wonderful. Just noticed, Cassian drew on his freaking dresser. How did he even get that? What? I don't know. Anyways, we'll deal with that later. I'm super proud of myself for doing that because it's the first time I've ever taken either of the kids to a store all by myself. It like just gives me anxiety, and I don't like to do stuff with the kids just by myself without Will. So I'm proud of myself for doing it. And then actually just made me realize that it's not that hard, except that when we first got to TJ Maxx, Ripley started crying because when she gets tired, instead of just going to sleep like you would think she would, she gets sad first and then cries. So I just kind of like walked around and rocked her a little bit, and then she fell asleep, and then I went on with my shopping. And then I went to Ross after that, which we had to go back to the car, go to the store, and then take her out and go again. So that was a little difficult. I think next time I'm only going to do one store at a time, or just go to like the mall where you can just keep walking and don't have to get back into the car. But without further ado, I'm just going to show you guys some things I got. Didn't really find that much. I was kind of disappointed. So once I got back, I placed an order on Shein for the kids because I feel like I didn't find what I was really looking for. But let me show you what I have. First is this. It's a heavy winter jacket. So I think this is what Cassian will wear for the winter time. It's called by the brand Little Me, and it's like flannel, fleece line, and it feels really thick. I like this color, but it also came with like a shirt and pants, so it's like 3 pieces, and this feels like pretty good quality. Like I'm not gonna buy them like a North Face jacket or anything when they're this little and can grow up, can just grow out of it really fast. I don't know, I might, depends on how cold I guess the winters get. But we're not going like snowboarding or skiing this year, I don't think, so I think this will be plenty warm enough. Yeah, so that was $20. I got Ripley a little footy jammy for like Christmas time. It has deer, and then trees. This was only $6. So got Ripley a cute little fancier onesie romper by Jessica Simpson. Comes with a little headband. This was $7.99. And then I just got Cassian a little PJ set for winter time. Yeah, it's not too Christmassy, so I think he can wear it for like the whole holiday season. And this material is super soft, and it was only $8.99. So that's all I got from TJ Maxx. And then I went to Ross. Ross, I was hoping they would have like a bunch of really cheap stuff like in the clearance section, but they didn't even have a clearance section for the kids. Same with TJ Maxx, so I was kind of sad. So all of these are like the Ross and TJ Maxx full price, which is already pretty cheap. So this, I wanted to look for some fall outfits for Ripley, so I found this. I think the color is kind of fall-esque, long sleeves and a cute little overall, but it has the footy, so it's pretty warm. Yeah, I like it. This is $8.99. And then I got Cassian a fall outfit as well. Like the colors just remind me of fall. And it came with some pants as well. And this set was only $9.99. So the prices are pretty good at these places. And lastly, I'll try this on for you guys, but I got this sweater from Ross for myself. It was only $11.99. Let me put it on and see what it looks like. It's a little bit shorter than I would have liked it to be. I didn't try this on, but I think I can make it work with some high-waisted jeans. But this will be cute for the fall. And this was, what, I said $11? It smells a little funky, like burnt plastic a little bit. What is this material? I don't know. I hope the smell goes away, but it's cute. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me for this vlog. I know it's kind of all over the place, but it's just like from last Thursday to this Tuesday, like little snippets of what we've been doing. I'm gonna go and pick up Cassian from daycare, and who knows what we'll do from there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.